Children, in the class 10th we are discussing factors of photosynthesis. In the factors of photosynthesis we discussed in the previous class about Priestley's experiment. By that we concluded the statement given by the Priestley: plants restore the air what the animals and other burning material empty. So this is very important. By this we can confirm the exchange of gases takes place among the environment, living things like animals and plants. Now let us try to understand the very important experiment that will be surely asked 90% in all board exams of 10th class. That is, carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. It is a very important experiment. So what is this experiment also called? This experiment also called Mohs half-leaf experiment. Mohs half-leaf experiment. So here the very important point you have to understand: half-leaf. So why it is called as half-leaf? Let's find it out. The aim of this experiment: first one, aim. We have to write what, children? Aim. Second one, we have to write apparatus required. Third one, we have to write procedure. Fourth one, we have to write what I would say, observation. Fifth one, we have to write inference. If chance, you have to write what? Precautions. It is very important, children. In every experimentation, the examiner, the question paper preparing, who is preparing by the examiner, he is giving these questions. What precautions you take after completion of or during this experiment? This is very important point. And last we have to conclusion. So these are the steps we have to write in every experiment. So in this experiment, what is the aim of this experiment, children? Very important. Carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. So it will be directly asked, how will you prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis? Or you may ask, what is the Mohs half-leaf experiment? Like that. So which gas is utilized by the plants and how they prepare food? Write that experiment. In these different ways you can ask the questions in CC pattern. So now let us observe how carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. So what is the apparatus required? The apparatus required is a wide-mouthed glass jar. And we require one potted plant. What, children? We require one potted plant. It is a wide-mouthed glass jar. And we require a potted plant. And we require very important solution, KOH. So now let us try to write. So a potted plant. So in this potted plant, we have to keep this potted plant, what we can say, in a dark for 24 hours. How much, children? How much time we have to keep this plant in a dark? This is very important point. We should keep this plant in a dark, means that in a dark place where light cannot enter for 24 hours. Why? If you don't eat, what happens? You will get hunger. In the same manner, plant, if it is not present in a light, it cannot perform photosynthesis, and whatever the starch in their leaf utilized by the plant for their metabolic activities, and the starch in the leaf become what? Zero, means reduced. Hence this process is called destarch the plant. Very important term. Another term earlier we discussed, dechlorophyll. while starch test we are discussing, we have to remove the chlorophyll while we have to do starch test, because if chlorophyll is present, we cannot finalize, we cannot understand, we cannot observe the what you have to say color change, because dark green if present, if we add iodine, it will change into blue black. We cannot what to say promptly observe it, because we have to dechlorophyll it. So these two terms are very very important. You have to keep in your mind. De-starch is different from dechlorophyll. De-starch of a plant done when we keep in a dark. Dechlorophyll is done when we boil the leaf in alcohol, ethyl alcohol. These two terms. So what we did, children? We kept this plant in a dark for 24 hours. In the next day morning, by using different operators, what I said now, a wide-mouthed glass jar. Why? Half of the leaf should be inside the jar, because it is half-leaf experiment. Which experiment? Half-leaf experiment. So half of the leaf should be in the, what we have to say, in the bottle. The other half should be in the, where children? Inside the bottle. So this half is outside, the other half is inside. How we have to insert? We have a rubber cork. Rubber cork. And before inserting this setup, we have to pour a solution, potassium hydroxide, KOH, pellets or solution. What is this potassium hydroxide? How the sponge absorbs the water. In the same manner, the KOH absorbs the carbon dioxide. Sir, carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Why we have to pour KOH in the bottle? This is very important. Whatever the carbon dioxide present inside the bottle, the every molecule is get absorbed by the KOH. Means inside the bottle, glass jar, KOH absorbing carbon dioxide means there is no carbon dioxide in the jar. The other half is exposed to atmosphere. Now this setup has to be kept 6 to 8 hours in a light. Now you can observe, children, what happens. So for photosynthesis, how many factors required? 4. What is that? Carbon dioxide, light, water and chlorophyll. If you observe in this setup, this half leaf, how many factors it will get? The half leaf which is outside the jar is exposed to what I have to say atmosphere, means it can get light, it can get carbon dioxide, already it have chlorophyll in it, and it is getting water from the root. Means the half of the leaf which is outside the jar getting every factor. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means what happens? If 4 factors are present, means it perform what? Photosynthesis. Then what is the condition of other half in the jar? The other half in the jar, if you find it is a glass jar, means light can travel, water can travel, because through the midrib, means water also available for this leaf. Already leaf itself have chlorophyll. But what about carbon dioxide? When we pour KOH, the carbon dioxide is absorbed by the KOH. Means now the entire carbon dioxide is not present inside the jar. Means one of the factor is not available inside the jar. Means how many factors is giving? 3 factors. How many factors? This is referring 4 factors. Means we are not making available to the half which is inside the jar by pouring carbon dioxide. Means one is getting 4 out of 4 factors, one is getting only 3 factors. And very important point, we have to find precautions. The leaf should not touch the KOH, and this cork, having split cork, we can say split means like this. Split. Coin box, we keep the coin box falling. So the coin where we keep in a split. That kind of small, what I would say, opening will be called split. So the leaf is gone through this, what I would say, split. There is a chance of little gaps. Oxygen and carbon dioxide may enter. It may disturb the entire setup. So we have to apply the Vaseline.
10 seconds.
Okay. So now, yes. Here, after this, what we have to do, we will observe. The next. Okay.